In Release 8 of Civil Designer version 9, when you go to the Insert menu, you'll see we've changed this option. It's now an aerial image option. And if you select the Bing Maps functionality, you will get a message that this function's been discontinued. We therefore suggest that you select the Azure Maps option. When selecting that option, read your prompt. It says position the screen for approximate image coverage and press enter. When specifying the file to be created, be sure to use a unique name. You'll see a generous amount of image is provided for you. As far as the point grid functionality is concerned, because I've gone and saved this on a unique layer, I can go to my layers, make layer 0 the current layer, and then turn off the photo layer. Once you've gone and set up your projection settings accordingly, just to show you that, I've been to File, I go to Project Settings, and I've already created the terrain file. It's vitally important that you use the correct projection settings for your particular project. Then go to your terrain mode, go to Terrain menu on top, and select Point Grid. Looking at the different options available, we still got the Bing elevations, but as mentioned, this function will be discontinued shortly. We've got TIFF DEM file interpolation, surface interpolation. I'm going to focus in on the Open Topography interpolation. If this is the first time you're using the function, you need to obtain an API key from the Open Topography website. To show you how this is done, you go and select this link, and then move that onto my screen. You then go and select Request an API key and go and create a new account. You will then be given an API key that you need to store somewhere safe for future reference, and then copy and paste that key into the space provided. Specify your global DEM dataset, and this is a user preference option. Specify your horizontal and vertical grid spacing, what surface you'd like to save this new grid file on. My surface 6 isn't active, so I'm going to activate it. Reading my prompt, I need to insert the first point of grid rectangle. Zoom in into a portion of my site, left click, bring it down to the bottom right, and left click on the second point of grid rectangle. Busy downloading elevation data. Confirmation information, I'm going to click on yes to continue. A point grid file is created. As before, you would now want to triangulate before you insert your contours.